Okay, that's the old McLaren Senna done. 75892, 2019 Speed Champion. I enjoyed it. It was good. Because they're that little bit smaller than the 2020 range. Pieces are smaller, a lot more smaller pieces. Stickers are smaller, a lot trickier to get on, and they're quite subtle. The stickers, you've got stickers like for the exhaust, which means you eliminate some bricks and just have it as a sticker, and really quite tiny, some of them. And these ones on the front, really quite subtle. But yeah, it's quite good little bit of kit. Spares wise, seven spares, but you also get special wheel trims, the old spanner, of course. You always get a visor, don't you? So, but general parts, 7. Like I say, stickers, really tricky. And they should reintroduce these clear stickers with just the detail that they want to put on the car, which makes it better than just having full grey on grey, for instance. But just have the clear stickers and then just a little detail where you want it. It keeps the original colour of the bricks showing through rather than having to colour match the sticker. Maybe it's a cost thing, but yeah. Certainly got a look about it. Decent wing as well, that's adjustable. If you took your wheel trims out, all the wheels are full orange as well. So yeah, little driver. Obviously no hair in the 2019 mode, so just a fully suited driver and helmet, okay, which matches the car. Obviously a little wind tunnel thing, I'll put that back and in with the spares. So yeah, I'm going to go through all of these 2019. They should look good all together, but I like the design. Yeah, good challenge. Alright, catch up soon.